Hey guys, this video will focus on the design you just saw at the beginning of this video. In my previous video, I showed you how to draw French tips using the DIY thin brushes for fine detailings. It was only to demonstrate how the brushes work. And all over YouTube you will find videos demonstrating how to draw French tips in different ways. So I decided to skip that and take a step forward by doing French tips with a twist. So this is like a continuation of the previous video where I will draw different designs on the white portion of the French tips using the very brushes I made in the previous video. You can check the previous video out if you haven't already. So hey guys, this is Deepanita from Artsy Nails Nailology by Deepanita and welcome back to my channel. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. Now having said all that, let's get started. have a stylish French mani. Now you can play with a variety of designs as per your choice. If you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in Facebook or on Instagram. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment down below and share this video as well. So I will be back next Friday with a new trending mani. So make sure you stay tuned, stay subscribed, take care, have a great week ahead and bye.